Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia. My student number is 19, 01, and 012. I'm a student of regular class of Chemical Engineering 2019. My essay title is Improve the Quality of Local Sugar by Maximizing Raw Material. Cane is a basic and raw material on making sugar. The thick stalk of cane is saving sucrose. From this liquid of sucrose, sugar is made with drying its water. In Indonesia, the most extensive agricultural area that used to plant sugarcane are in Central Java and West Java. Usually, the agricultural area that used for planting the sugarcane is in the village treasury area or regional asset. It's starting from the land cultivation stage, planting sugarcane seeds, harvesting, and selling the contract system. After harvesting, the sugarcane basically has to be transported to the sugar factory to be processed immediately. If the sugarcane left too long, the water and glucose content in the sugarcane stalk will decrease and will affect the amount and quality of sugar produced. Therefore, not long after the sugarcane was harvested, in the same day it was also must be immediately distributed to the nearest sugar factory. The condition of Indonesia sugar had slumped during the period 994 until 998, so that sugar production fell by around 40% from around 2.4 million tons to only around 1.3 million tons. Meanwhile, during the same period, domestic demand for sugar increased by about 6% from around 2.9 million tons to around 3.30 million tons. As a result, in order to meet the ever-increasing demand for sugar and not being matched by an increase in production, Indonesia has significantly increased sugar imports from around 130,000 tons to around 1.8 million tons. Change in policy in the handling of national sugar in line with the implementation of free trade result in the following: threatening the sustainability of the national sugar industry, causing huge losses for domestic sugar consumers. Stabilizing the domestic sugar market is difficult and very expensive. But after the slump, Indonesia experienced the dream of being the largest sugar exporting country. But since the early 90s until now, Indonesia has experienced a slump in sugar production, which has made Indonesia a sugar importer with an increasingly high demand. National demand for sugar is expected to continue increase in line with the increase in population, community income, and the growth of the food and beverage processing industry that uses sugar as raw material for production. So, what can we do to prevent the slump of the sugar world in Indonesia? In my opinion, we can prevent the slump by improving the quality of our local sugar in a way maximizing the raw material, sugarcane itself. Below are some ways to get my version of sugarcane with more better quality. The first is by growing terms. Sugarcane grow well in areas that have hot climates with temperatures around 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and rainfall around 100 mm per year. In conducting sugarcane cultivation, there are soil types that are good for planting sugarcane. Number 2 is planting land. For planting land to be planted with sugarcane, it's done in two ways, namely by plowing or rhinoceasing it. The plowing method is carried out to loosen the dry soil. The third is by selecting of sugarcane seeds. The fourth is sugarcane planting. The fifth, treatment of sugarcane. The sixth is pests and disease. Pests that often attack sugarcane are caterpillars. In order to prevent it, it is necessary to select sugarcane varieties that are resistant to pests or release natural predators of caterpillars. 7. Sugarcane harvesting. Sugarcane harvesting is done by hoeing the sugarcane planting area with a depth of about 20 centimeters. Pull the sugarcane up to the roots. Remove the shoots of sugarcane after harvesting and tie 20 under 30 sticks of sugarcane to be mild. Harvesting time is carried out in the dry month. The H is keperasan sugarcane. Burning felt remains, sugarcane leaf, truss, etc. Keperasan is done by cutting some of the plant residue or dongkel, then maintaining it as in new plants. According to BSN, the better quality of local sugar must be fulfilled by several terms below. Can we see at the table 1 terms and condition of GKP or gula kristal putih. From those explanations can be concluded that to produce good quality of local sugar, we must also pay attention to the quality of the raw materials that will be processed, because good raw materials don't cause the possibility of producing good quality of crystal sugar, but we have to pay attention to the operating system in the factory too.